for tuning in to Wicked Warnings, your #1 source for construction and emergency safety strobe lighting equipment for cars, vans, buses, bicycles, tricycles, everything in between, including this big, beautiful, brand new white 2025 Ford F-150 in the Lariat trim package. Yes, that's right, a 25 F-150 in the Lariat trim package here, featuring our auto flasher plug-and-play kits on the factory lighting, as well as a full complement of sound-off M-Power lights. Wrapping around the side of the truck here, you can see how we also have the M-Power light in the grille, as well as that bezel above the third brake light. We continue the sound-off theme around the back with 2 more 4-inch M-Powers underneath the tailgate, as well as our plug-and-play white reverse light flasher for the Lariat and high trim line F-150s. Now, all of these rear sound-off M-Power lights are featuring our floodlight override. We also put that on the side badge lights as well. That's on a secondary switch on this build. So now we'll go into a little more detail about this whole build, which you can buy as a kit at the end of this video. So starting in the front of the truck, we have our auto flasher kit for the DRL. That is a plug-and-play kit that plugs in behind each headlight and is easy to install right through the fender wells. You don't have to take anything apart really on the front of the truck at all. And what we've done with these M-Power lights, if you have a grill like this on your Lariat, we've used our LIN 6 bracket turned sideways with some VHB tape mounted right here. I have a little more detail on that, but that is how we mounted that M-Power light. Yes, we had to drill a new hole, and you can see here in there where we drilled a hole for the wire to pass through the outer shell, but the cold weather shutters on the front here that you can see the Venetian blinds that close to keep your engine warmer in colder weather. If you drill right there on the outer side, you can pass a wire around them, which is how we did for both of those M-Powers, which, by the way, are extended with our 22-5 wire. We're including a 30-foot run of 22-5, which is going to be more than enough to extend both of those lights all the way into the truck where your switching could be. The front DRL auto flasher kit comes with all the wiring you will need. Here, in a previous video, we have very good coverage of how to mount this light in the badge. We'll dig that up and link it. It's in a previous F-150 video. And that is mounted right there in the badge and extended again with 22-5. We don't need as much there. We're going to put another 15 feet of 22-5 in to extend both of those badges. You'll get all the 22-5 probably as one bulk amount. We're just calling out the amounts here, and at the end we'll total everything up. Inside, actually, before I forget, under the hood we're going to put a fuse kit on the passenger side battery, and we're going to run some 16-2 all the way inside to our switches to provide power and ground to our switches. Our 2 switches will be here. Your color may vary depending on stock, but that is the 3/4 flush mount switch. That is where we installed it. But if you have something in that area already, you could always install them right down here if you prefer. This area is also accessible. So that is how we mounted the switches on this truck. One is for flashing, one is for flood white. You can always program it however you like. We came up with our rear lines through the factory rubber grommet in the floor right here, by the way, and that was very easy. Working our way around this, we have the bezel kit, which is going to include both of those lights, as well as a 30-foot piece with this kit. We're going to get a 30-foot piece of 18.5, which is going to take the power from here, right through here, down this seat pillar, forward, and to your switch. You'll probably have a little extra 18.5 there. No big deal. 30 foot's included right there for ease. Working our way around the back of the truck, we showed you an auto flasher plug-and-play module for these reverse lights. Now, this is a Lariat. It has the high trim 12-wire plug. Double check your truck, please. If you have the high trim 12-wire plug, wonderful. Get the high trim reverse kit that's included in this video. However, if you have the middle level with the 8-wire plug, simply swap it out. We'll delete the high trim kit in favor of the mid-level kit. It is important that you check your truck on the reverse to make sure that the kit you get will fit. Again, this is a Lariat. So make sure you either have a Lariat or we substitute down to the other kit if you do not. Right below that, we have our 2 4-inch M-Powers. Those are also extended with 18.5 because we're going to run them all the way forward. So we're putting another 30-foot piece of 18.5 on those M-Powers. And the way I did it was very easily. From the passenger M-Power, jump to the driver, and from the driver, jump forward along the frame all the way to the driver's left foot where there's a rubber grommet where you can come up through the floor. On the reverse auto flasher module, put the module behind the driver's tail light, run the whip with the plug and play over to the passenger light, and run the 18.5 forward with the other 18.5 for your M powers, both along the frame, driver's side, all the way up through the floor on the driver's footwell. We'll put an installation accessory kit in this package as well, which will give you some tape and some zip ties and some other goodies to make your connections easier. So we'll have that for you in this package and everything else that's listed. Hopefully I covered everything. If there's anything I miss, let me know. We'll put some other info at the end of this video, but that's the breakdown and the in-depth techie talk on this 2025 package. I'll try and run around with it lit up once more just so you can see. Now, of course, your patterns can change. If you prefer to use amber and white, you could do that. You can modify this a little bit. It's okay. Don't be scared. We can also custom order some cool colors if you wanted to do something completely different. If you had a red and blue need, we could probably do this package in red and blue for you. So just reach out to us if you have a specific need. Anything else I missed or more questions, give me a holler back. Thanks again for tuning into Wicked Warnings, your #1 source for construction and emergency LED safety and strobe lighting equipment for cars, vans, buses, bicycles, tricycles, everything in between, including that beautiful 2025 F-150 we just saw.